Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, creative, unique, popular educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python using Flask. As we have gone through two videos using Flask, first video was facial face recognition using Flask. Then we have seen another video with face detection using Flask. Now we are going to see face live stream emotion recognition using Flask. So remember guys, this video I will be doing on the browser. These videos are of my memories of machine learning program which I had done long back ago, 1.5 year back ago. I am recalling my memories about machine learning. I will be back with more creative videos on React.js, Node.js, full stack, non-stack. So please watch my upcoming videos on youtube.com. So let us begin with facial emotion recognition using live stream. So using deepface library. This video emotion recognition using deepface library. So we will begin to recognize the facial emotion recognition live stream. So yes, my face is detected. Neutral. Yes, happy is coming. Yes. Yeah. Yes, happy is coming. Yes, sad is coming. Sad is coming. I want angry. Sad is coming. Neutral is coming. Happy, sad, and neutral is coming. So I successfully done with facial emotion recognition using deepface library. All emotions are not detected, but few emotions are detected. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using deepface library, fear library with facial emotion recognition. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com of machine learning. Thanks for watching.